So I'm done mixing it. This thing is turmeric with honey, original honey. Make sure you mix your own with original honey, because if you get original honey, that is the way you will get what you are looking for. For those that have acne, like pimples, if you have pimple on your face, this product, this natural recipe is good for it, because it will help to clear it and give you that smooth, beautiful face that you want. You can see my own, no filter, guys. I'm just trying to show you guys so that you will see my real face well. You can see it. See, and also if you have a black, all those blackhead on your discoloration on your face, this product will help you to get that smooth, amazing, beautiful face. That if you have that little face sponge, that soft one, you can use it. I always use my hand. I cannot kill myself, I don't have it. I'm using the one I have. Before you do it, you wash your face with water, with clean water. I'm done. You can see my face, guys. See what I got. I'm done, guys. You just have to wait like 5 to 10 minutes. I always wait longer so that I will get what I'm looking for. So you can wait for 2 minutes, just depending on the kind of body you have, because there are some people that react to all these things quickly. So I always wait like 10 to 15 minutes, or you will just, anytime you start noticing like hotness on your face, you clean it up. So that is it, guys. Very simple and effective at the same time. Thank you so much once again. Bye. So guys, the thing has been sitting on my face for like 10 minutes now, because I told you guys that it just depends on your reaction. Some people can put it on their face, the thing will stay like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, they start getting reaction on their face, so you wash it out. So I always leave my own for like 5 to 10 minutes. You can see the thing has already started to turn to watery. So that is it. If you want to get that beautiful glowing skin face, if you have acne on your face, if you have pimple on your face, I will recommend this simple natural home remedy for you, because it's good. It has no side effects, unless if you use it for so long, the thing will give you burnout. So now it's time to wash it out. You have to wash it very well. Unless we leave some in your face. Guys, see what I got. I'm done washing the face, so you can see it here. This one is not filter. You look at my face very well. You see what I'm talking about. So what is your comment, guys? Try this thing. This thing is a very amazing home remedy that is good for if you have a color discoloration. I hope I pronounce it well. This is a nice home remedy. I even forgot the one I did for my brother. My brother that have very serious pimple on his face. I used this simple turmeric with honey, original honey, to clear the pimple. If you see the face before, you cannot even imagine that it's because it's this little turmeric and honey that I used to clean everything out. So see what I got at last. So go and try this recipe. It's nice and effective. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want another recipe, you can tell me, guys. I will drop it for you. I always did do this home remedy for pimple, for other things, and it always come out well. So we are done. Thank you very much once again. Bye.